What's up, guys? How's it going? This is Seth, your chartist. Today is 7th July 2025, local time 9:57 a.m. Eastern time would be around 12 almost. I'm 2 hours behind. All right, market is live right now. As you can see, I'm on daily time frame and market is moving. And I will be analyzing Tesla. If you do like the analysis, make sure you follow me here on TradingView. My name is the Chartist. Okay, and I'm a price action trader. If you are listening to me for the very first time, I should be upfront. I do not trade all these indicators. These indicators are just there for me to understand the psychology of other traders. Simple as that. Okay. Now, let's start the analysis. It would be price action analysis. Let me show you this. Okay, this is my chart. This is how it works, right? As you can see, this is, I'm going to break it down for you. Okay, and look at how many news. Tesla is always surrounded with news. See, I mark everything, right? I remember this is my favorite stock. Anyways, I am long, and my targets for now, like, honestly, everything, it looks like it is very tight and it should do 390. If it doesn't do 390, you cannot average it, or you need to take a stop loss. Forget about averaging. If you see you are if you're not following the rules, you will mess it up big time. Okay, let's go step by step. Let's understand why am I bullish and what is the logic behind it. Okay, I have uploaded Tesla's videos. Like, go and check it out on TradingView or other platforms as well. I have uploaded Tesla's price action like week by week. Okay, I come whenever it is required. I was super busy, that's why I couldn't upload the video over the weekend. Anyways, now this golden yellowish line that you see, I'm gonna break everything down for you. Okay, don't forget to follow me. Okay, now this yellow line that you see is the EMA 200. Okay, it usually acts as, they say, it acts as a support or resistance. Okay, and look here, it is on weekly, it changes, right? This is how indicators change. I'm not here to explain you indicators, but what I'm trying to explain you here is, black line is EMA 20, red line is EMA 50, then this green line is 100, EMA 100, and this is 200. Okay, now this all, like, EMA, this is EMA 200. Okay, EMA 200 will always act as a safety net. It will poke through, get up, poke through, get up. This is how it works. Okay, I am not here to trade indicators. I know how it works. But again, we will discuss price action candle by candle now. Okay, what is happening here is, understand this, go and check other videos out as well. So there is, if you do see here, every single monthly demand zone is working out. If you don't know demand and supply, uh, I cannot explain everything here. There is a full course which I do take, but forget about that. I'm not selling anything here, and I don't believe in selling that. Forget about it. Just understand whatever I'm trying to tell you. These are all demand zones right here. Okay, every single demand zone of monthly time frame is working. Now, if every monthly is working, it means that buyers have the potential, right? Buyers have the potential to push the prices up. But at the same time, understand this, once tested means it is picking up the pending buying orders and moving up. That means it is losing. It is losing. Now, this means, if price is coming back into every monthly demand zone and coming in and going up, means that it is picking coming in, means it is picking up buying pending orders and then going up. So if it has picked up buying pending orders, that means it is used means now you don't know how many buying pending orders are left in these levels, so you cannot play them. And they are weak now because everything has been used. Okay, currently, if you come here, this demand zone is being used, which is very poor. And they are formed actually from the reaction of each other, if you can see. Okay, now, if you don't know, don't worry about it. I have explained in other videos how it works. Okay, now we have a supply zone right here. That is why I have been saying 390 should be booked. Now, understand this, this demand zone looks good. There's no problem. And you need to understand this, monthly demand zones are working fine in Tesla. Now it comes here, and Let me mark this for you. So it comes inside this box. Okay. And then it consolidates. Okay, there's a consolidation, and I bought here as well. Go and check the date. I'm not here to, you cannot just catch the bottom. There is always a downside to it, and the stop loss was kept here. Okay, I usually keep stop losses bigger in Tesla because this is the behavior of Tesla. This is how Tesla behaves. Okay, so let's switch back to monthly. I'm trying to go as low as possible. It comes here. Okay, forms a new monthly demand zone. I'm moving this here. Now another demand zone has been formed, which is right here. Again, it comes here with full force, and this is where Trump and Elon were fighting. Okay, go and check the date out. I will use the scale to show you the percentage move on the downside. Look at this, 25.70%, $94, 95 almost. It came down. Now, now I said I was buying here. Okay, I bought, and you can check the date, 275, and then it started going up. It goes up and hits your supply zone here, comes down. Now, if it is coming down, you need to understand this. We do not have anything of quality here. No, this is not quality. This is not quality. That is why when I gave a trade here, I gave it 2 stars out of 5. This is not even your demand zone. This is a flag pattern. We don't trade patterns. And I also posted a video, a picture. If you'll go and see that, I posted it like this, and I don't delete my picture. So I said, this is your flag, and then another flag is like this. This came down. Now this will also come down. Go and check it out. Okay, you will see what I posted. But I'm not here to prove a point because I will make money. I'm telling you openly, I will definitely make money. The whole point here is, if anybody is losing money, they should not trade blindly. Simple as that. I know what this can do and what is the potential of this stock. I know this very well, and I'm pretty sure it will go up. Now the whole point here is, if you're trading, if you traded it here, I told you to take a stop loss, you should have taken a stop loss here. Now if you're trading this, first of all, this, the buyers are yet to prove themselves. Okay, this trade actually worked from 275, gave you a target of 340. Okay, let's check the up move. So you need to exit here. If you don't know the rules, why the hell are you trading? Simple as that. It We exited around, the first trade was done at 340, and 345ish I exited. Let's say 340 also. So look at the percent move, 24.81. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, in 2 weeks roughly, 2.5 weeks, 24.81. But you don't know where to exit, you don't know where to enter, because you're following either me or somebody there out there. It doesn't work out like that. Okay, price action is clearly telling you, price was making, it was doing higher highs. Now it is doing lower highs. I don't know lower lows will form or not, but you need to understand this. I said, if, go and check the analysis out. I said, if it breaks this, do not trade it here. We are only trading it either here or either here. And the behavior of Tesla is that it comes when there is a fall, it usually comes to the lower level, so 230 can come. But now, I'm not trying to confuse you. I'll put it properly. I'm saying I am bullish. I am saying I am long, because there is always a plan. So if I cannot suggest you, okay, I'm not a financial advisor, I cannot suggest you to just buy here, because if you'll buy here, you need to put a stop loss here as well. But by the time it will come down, you will not take the stop loss, and you will be a part of this fall when it comes to 230. If it comes to 230, and then you will sell here, because most of the people are trading on margin. Okay, and by the time you will sell here, it will go up. Like same thing happened here as well. Go and check the date, 5th June. Go and check it out. Okay, I remember everything about this stock. I'm telling you very, very openly, and it needs to go up. Why? I cannot tell you right now why. Because this is price action. Okay, this is price action, and you need to understand this. It can go up. If it comes down, okay, okay. If it comes down, if I'm trading it, if it comes down, you need to book your loss at 270. Okay, I will get out. Fine, I'll get out. I'm giving you a stop loss level as well. But if it goes up, it needs to do 390. Simple as that. I am pretty sure They see there is nothing like 100% in trading. This is business. You need to understand what is the probability if you're opening a restaurant that is gonna be a very successful venture, right? This is business. Take it as a business. Get your emotions out, okay? Because it's not gonna make you any money, because you don't know what you're doing. I'm telling you very, very frankly and very openly, it needs to go up, but at the same time we need to understand the risk involved in every trade. You do not just randomly buy everything. Okay, I posted that in the morning. I posted that calls are very cheap for Tesla. Okay, but that does I deliberately did it so that it can mess up your psychology. Am I long? Yes, I'm long. I'm telling you, I'm long. Okay. The whole point here is, if you are entering here, you shouldn't, first of all. This is the game. This is the business of patience. You should not enter here. You should either enter from 250 or here. Or if you are entering here also, okay, fine. You want to enter, you are trying to enter. Take a stop loss at 270, 268. Let's go 268. Safest. Okay, take a stop loss at 268 if it does come there. Okay, market is sitting at all time high. Market needs to retrace. This is your bull run. Market needs to retrace. And let's open this every single day. As you can see, I've marked everything here. Okay, every single day there is news. These arrows that you see: robo taxi, Senate rejected Elon's bill, Trump 2.0, they're fighting, America party, he's forming the party, whatever he's saying, I don't care about it, I don't follow news. But this is how it works. Okay, this stock has the highest PE ratio, but this does not work fundamentally. I know fundamental analysis as well, but it does not work fundamentally. It works purely and purely technically. It works, I'm telling you, technically it is the most powerful stock that I've ever experienced. Okay, but the whole point here is, people trade with options and you will get stuck. There are ways to trade options. You sell options. Okay, that's the beauty of it. You cannot just buy option and let the institutions take theta for you. They will eat theta. Okay, because see, right now it has momentum, it needs to go up. But if it comes down, if you're trading it at CMP, current market price, I'm telling you, just get the hell out at 268. Fine, get out. We'll buy lower around 240 if it comes down. But if it goes up, do you understand how much money will you make? And everything here is tested. People who know demand and supply, or they can very well understand this is all trash. This is complete trash. Okay, it needs to go at least till here. At least till here, 390. Everything is tested. I don't care if it is forming patterns. I don't care if it goes down. My job is to find the best trade out there. Simple as that. I am here to help you. To you shouldn't touch this. If you don't know Tesla, you shouldn't touch Tesla. If you don't, if even if you know me and you're following me, you should not trust me. Why are you trusting me? I'm telling you openly. Look here, EMA 200. Look how it is acting as a support. But it is, look at the dollar value. It comes from 252 to 218. This is indicator. It acts as a support or resistance. But this is a very solid support. But you cannot trade. You don't know where to get out. Okay. So you need to understand this. You need to understand this, that I am long with a stop loss level, and I'm not scared of taking losses because I know how it works. Second thing is, whenever all these indicators squeeze together, I'm repeating, whenever all these indicators they squeeze together, okay, and you have support of higher time frame demand zone or higher time frame price action, okay, chances are it's going to make a big rally. What is it? The floodgates are opening. Simple as that. Okay, and if it doesn't, you know where to stop. Simple as that. You do not trade blindly. Okay, you do not, please, I'm requesting you, it's for your benefit. If you don't know how to trade, please protect your capital. You will end up losing everything. I am making money. It's not about sharing screenshots. Okay, I will share the screenshot. Okay, for people who do want to see, I will share it as well. I don't care about it. But the whole point here is, I'm not trying to sell you a lifestyle here. I'm trying to educate you. Please do not take it personally. If I do post something which is, which looks negative, but it's not negative, it's there to motivate you. okay, so that you can grow. Please, if you don't understand something, do not get into it. Please, 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 okay. It needs to go up. I've explained you the stop loss levels, and if it comes here, do not laugh, and do not just keep on looking at the screen with the hope that it's going to go up. No, you need to take the stop loss and get out. Simple as that. Indicators are lagging, but at the same time, algo traders are trading. They're out there. Okay, they are watching everything. Even institutions are watching everything. So this is forming a squeezed. Look here, I'll form a pattern here. Here, it's squeezing. It's squeezing. Okay, it is squeezing at its very best. What is this? Ascending triangle? Okay, whatever. I don't care. All I'm telling you is it needs to go up. It is taking the trend line support. I'm not worried about the trend line support. I know how demand and supply, how price action works. Priority is price action, not these indicators or these trend lines. Okay. Now, if you look here now, price price was forming higher high, higher lows, right? Now, lower high it has formed. So does this mean it is going down like this? I don't care about it. My price action is telling me that it needs to hold and go up. Okay, it needs to go up because everything at the top is tested. It is just a matter of time. I don't care if any news will pop up. I don't care if it gets my stop. I am a trader and I believe in accepting what is there out for me. If my job is to find the best trade out there. Okay, market is live and I love trading or posting videos live. I'm not scared. Okay, now this is EMA 200 yellow line, and then I said it acts as a support. It never acted as a support here. It pierced through it. It came to 275. My demand, very poor demand. It worked. Okay, right now also it pierced it. It pierced it, and it is holding below it. Will it go above it? Let's see. Market is live right now. Do not trade blindly. Okay, and I hope uh, you will follow the rules. If you don't understand anything, do not get into it. Simple as that. All right. If you did understand something, if it was helpful, make sure you follow me, the Chartist, here on TradingView. That's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna post an analysis about SPY as well. All right. Take care. Trade safely, wisely, and don't try to burn your capital. It's your hard-earned money. Don't forget that. All right. Take care. Bye bye.